These units are available through independent dealers in a wide range of models to suit the needs of your home. They are manufactured in China by Frigidaire and the warranty is enhanced by Crosley to cover the compressor for 10 years. The CATS models are cool-only units with a 12.1 EER efficiency and use 115-volt power for flexibility in installation. They have 3 fan speeds with ECO and sleep modes for energy savings and are available in 8 sizes from 6,000 to 28,000 BTU. The CAM models have electric heat and are available in 4 sizes with an efficiency of 10.9 EER. The CTWMS models are through-the-wall units for cooling only, while the CTWMHE units have electric heat. They use 208/230-volt power and have a rather low 9.5 EER efficiency. The brand is inexpensive and uses user-friendly R32 refrigerant but does not offer heat pump models, and they have a very limited distribution network. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.